Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Battle.net update agent not running problem. First, we will clear the Battle.net cache. Right-click the Start button and open the Run box. In the Run box, type %program data % and press Enter. A folder will open. Find the folder named Battle.net. Right-click on it and delete it. This will remove old cache files that may be causing the update agent to fail. Next, we need to close all running Battle.net processes. Click on the Start menu and search for Task Manager. Open it. In the list of running apps and background processes, look for anything related to Battle.net or Agent. Select each one and click End Task. Make sure all of them are closed before moving to the next step. Now, try running Battle.net as an administrator. Go to your desktop or installation folder. Right-click on the Battle.net shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app full permissions, which can fix update issues. If the problem is still there, you may need to reinstall the app. Uninstall the app. Then download the latest version from the official website and install it again. After this fresh installation, the update agent should run normally. Thanks for watching.